Hey, it's Mr. Johns, River Glen technology and computer science teacher, and it occurred to me that um, not everybody is familiar or comfortable with sorting or filtering data inside a spreadsheet. So I want to take a look at the document that Camille sent us, which has all the information we need to set up our seating charts, for example, which is what I just finished doing. And I thought maybe I would shoot a quick video showing how I quickly found my students per period. So first thing you want to do is notice that this is a shared document to all students. Sorry, all teachers. So what we want to do is make a copy of it first. And so if you click on File, Make a Copy, it will be called Copy Of. That's usually fine. Click OK. Now if you make any mistakes or if you do any sorting or filtering, you don't have to clean it up afterwards. It's your own copy. Okay, so again, I went to File, Make a Copy. You can rename it if you want, but I just leave it as Copy Of so I know it's not the original. So I'm going to go to period 1. So what I did is figure out which students I can expect to come in first period on Tuesdays or Thursdays or Wednesdays and Fridays. So how do I quickly find my students? So if you click on the filter icon, which is up here where my mouse is showing, it looks like a funnel. So it's really funneling your information down through that funnel. So it's called a filter. So when you click it, it turns green to show it's on, and also you'll see this little filter icon show up on the top of each of the columns. And so I want to filter by period. So I'm going to click on the icon, and it shows you basically the data that's in that column, which is the name of all the teachers. And I don't want that, so I'm going to clear it. It's a quick way to uncheck everything. And then I'm going to scroll down alphabetically to J for Johns. That's my last name. I select it and click OK. Now I quickly have all my students for Tuesday, Thursdays, and Wednesday, Fridays. And with this information, I set up my seating chart for both of those days. And if I wanted to unfilter it, I would just go back to the filter icon and turn off filter, and it just puts it back. You know, this is a copy of, so it doesn't matter whether I do that or not. Okay, period 2, exactly the same thing. I'm going to click on the filter icon. I'm going to click on the period 2 column. Click it once. I'm going to clear all the teachers, scroll down to the J for Johns, and select myself and click OK, and there's my students. So I did that for each of my periods, and it was a really quick and simple way to filter out my own students, and now you can filter out your own students too. Have a good week, and I will see you at River Glen.